Think you can't beat big brands in Philly? Think again. What if I told you small businesses here are stealing the spotlight with a secret weapon? Meet Google Ads, your new best friend in digital marketing. Picture this, your business popping right up when locals search for your service, like magic. But here's the twist. Most ignore a local strategy. That's the game changer. Target Philly neighborhoods laser precisely, spending every dollar smarter, not harder. Imagine your phone ringing off the hook from customers in your own backyard. Now, let's add a pro, an online marketing media service that crafts campaigns tailored just for you. They know Philly's pulse and Google Ads inside out. It's like having a marketing ninja working silently behind the scenes. Worried about costs? What if I told you? Every dollar spent is an investment in growth, not waste. The digital world is a massive stage. Why stay invisible? The real question, are you ready to dominate Philadelphia with unstoppable ads? Don't let your competitors snag your spotlight. Your small business deserves a big stage. Ready to see your sales skyrocket with Google Ads? Reach out and let's light up Philly together. What's stopping your business from going viral today?